Hey everyone, let's talk about one of the simplest but most powerful ways to protect your email domain from being misused, SPF or Sender Policy Framework. If you've ever received a fake email that looked like it came from your bank or a big company, you've seen what happens when SPF isn't in place. SPF works like a permission list for your domain. For example, if your business uses Gmail for email, Microsoft 365 for invoices, and a marketing platform for newsletters, SPF tells receiving servers. These are the only servers allowed to send emails on behalf of your domain. If a scammer tries to send email from your domain using a different server, it fails the SPF check and may be blocked. Here's the process in simple steps. You create an SPF record, a short line of text in your domain's DNS, listing all legitimate email senders. When you send an email, the receiving server checks your SPF record. If the sending server is listed, the email passes. If it's not, it fails. SPF acts as a first line of defense to verify who's allowed to send emails for your domain. Without SPF, anyone could impersonate your domain. That could mean phishing emails in your name, spam landing in your customers' inboxes, lost trust and damaged reputation. SPF also improves deliverability, making it more likely your legitimate emails reach the inbox instead of spam. One important thing to know, SPF has a 10 DNS lookup limit. Every time a server listed in your SPF record points to another domain, it counts as a lookup. If you exceed 10, your SPF can break silently, causing email delivery issues. This is why managing SPF manually can get tricky, especially if you use multiple email services. To set it up safely, identify all services that send emails for your domain. Generate an SPF record using a tool like PowerDMARC's SPF generator. Publish it in your DNS as a TXT record. Test it with an SPF checker to make sure it's valid. Using a platform like PowerDMARC helps optimize your record, stay under the lookup limit, and monitor your email authentication in real time. And that's SPF, a simple essential step to protect your domain from impersonation and phishing. Combine it with DKIM and DMARC for full protection, and your emails are much safer. Check the links below to learn more and see how PowerDMARC can help keep your domain secure.